Gus Schmidt, and I'm back with another trading video. Today I'm going to be trading on Pocket Option platform. I'll be trading the OTC pairs. Okay, so I'm utilizing two indicators, the Parabolic SAR and the Awesome Oscillator. So the settings for the Parabolic SAR will be acceleration 0.03, maximum acceleration 0.3. And I just changed the main line to 2 pixels so I can see it better. Okay, and so now the Awesome Oscillator settings, we're going to put the period short to 5, set the period short to 5, and the period long to 10. I believe the default setting is for the period long is 37. But anyway, set the period long to 10, and let's go into styles here. What we're going to do is make the lines, the up and down lines, both green. Here I've set them to both green. And in the style settings, I've pushed the opacity up all the way, and we're doing 3 pixels. And instead of the histogram, we're going to be using the line chart. Okay, after all the settings have been set, you save it. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and when I identify a trade, I'll come back and execute a trade and talk about why I took the trade. Okay, so I'm back on the US dollar Japanese yen OTC currency pair, and I just took a call trade, a buy trade for 2 minutes. Oh, by the way, yeah, the candles are 30-second candles with a 2-minute trade expiry. And so, yeah, the reason why I took the buy trade is here. The Awesome Oscillator crosses in a positive slope, in a bullish slope over the zero line on the indicator, and also the Parabolic SAR print has printed like four dots, indicating a reversal at this point. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait for the results of the trade and come back with about 20 seconds left and check the results. Okay, so we have about 15-20 seconds left in the trade. And as you can see here, the Awesome Oscillator is reversing. But we took a trade in the up direction, and the trade is about to close. Okay, great. So the trade closes, and as you can see here, we've increased our balance. All right, I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm back with another trade. And the reason why I took this trade, okay, we're on the Swiss franc Japanese yen OTC pair. And as you can see here, the Parabolic SAR, first of all, we broke, the candle broke this level of support right here. It broke the level of support. And so the the Awesome Oscillator crossed under the zero line. On top of that, the Parabolic SAR has printed three dots, indicating a downward trend. When the Parabolic SAR prints above the candles, that means it's a downward signal. When it prints below the candles, it signifies an uptrend. Okay, so let's pause the video and then get back with about 10 seconds left, 15 seconds left to determine the results of the trade. Okay, so we have about 12 seconds left in the trade, and the trade is looking good. The prediction was a bearish trend, and okay, great. We gained $830, increasing my balance to over $26,000. Okay, I'm going to pause the video once again and see if we can find another trade. Okay, so I'm back with another trade on the Euro New Zealand dollar OTC pair. Once again, the Parabolic SAR is printing above the candles, indicating a downtrend, and the Awesome Oscillator is showing a downward slope. And so over the next 2 minutes, hopefully we'll see a continuing downward trend in the currency pair. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video again up until like 15-20 seconds left in the trade to see the results of the trade. Also, the currency broke the resistance area here. It broke past the support and continued downward. All right. Okay, and I'm back with about 20 seconds left in the trade. It's pretty close, but it's pushing downward. The currency pair is pushing downward. Okay, great. So we won that trade. So we've managed to increase our balance to $26,515. And so I'm gonna close out this session because the trading times, uh, the New York session is about to end, so there's not going to be much price action. So if you're interested in opening up a free account, you can check. I have the link in the comments, and feel free to comment on the video. Subscribe to my channel. Gus Schmidt here. Thank you for watching.